it together. I can't let this opportunity pass me by. I gotta find my inner strength. If I want you to be mine, I gotta crush on you. And I don't know how to say it, what I feel inside. I gotta crush on you. If I could just get to you, I know that you can feel it. You feel it too. You're part